Let's have a look at this ChatGPT prompt first. Act as a strategic consultant. Okay, so this will be your role. Yeah, the role of the ChatGPT. Yeah, because ChatGPT will bring us feedback. Perform a SWOT analysis. So this is about strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for the Snowflake Corporation, which is a data warehousing and AI cloud competitor targeting the database software development market. Okay. Generate the output in a table format and include 5 bullet points for each category. Okay, and I already told about these categories. Yeah, SWOT is a typical matrix used to measure the strengths and weaknesses of a company, a product, a project, and so on. Let's go ahead and let's see what ChatGPT brings us, because we have a lot of public information about such a big corporation like Snowflake. Otherwise, if that's about your company or some private data, you could easily paste here the information or upload the document, yeah, with that information as we've seen before. But in this case, yeah, enough information is public, and look what ChatGPT brought us: strengths, strong cloud native, weaknesses, high operational and compute costs. Okay, can make prices unpredictable and so on. So I can tell you, yes, I have a strong expertise in Snowflake, and these are all real concerns. Opportunities, threats, yeah, definitely different competitors, yeah, Databricks among others, but you see Amazon Web Services, also hyperscale, Microsoft, Google, and so on. So yeah, that's one starting point. You can generate such a SWOT matrix, or you see 4 different columns here for any company, project, product, or service you have. While we're here, let's dig deeper. Yes, let's refine and iterate. Based on the SWOT analysis you just created, provide a 1 year strategy to leverage their strengths, to take advantage of the opportunities, and the plan to mitigate the threat. Okay, so we are looking at this company and what would be good for Snowflake. Okay, I am an expert in Snowflake, but I never worked directly for them. Yeah, so here is just a fictional scenario, because this could be about your company, a company you work for, or the company you have. Okay, so for other external companies that you looked at for different reasons. For me, I advertise their product basically in my most of my courses. 1 year strategic plan for Snowflake, 1 year strategic priorities, and so on. So a lot of information. Yes, that's what I wanted to show you. And finally, another iteration, and we'll be done with this because it's obvious. Yeah, the advantage is here that you already have an AI assistant that goes there and produces for you, brings you information, and organizes this information in an appropriate way. So let's have a look at this last prompt. Analyze the SWOT table above and identify the top 3 most critical factors that could make or break this company. So once again, these are just some ideas that you can work with when after creating a SWOT table for a company, for a product, for a service, for a project. Top 3 critical make or break factors. Yeah, very important. Critical factor: ability to win the enterprise AI platform is differentiation against hyperscalers, yeah, like Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud. Managing cost efficiency and profitability at scale, because this may become expensive. I work with this. I work with clients using Snowflake, and this may get expensive. Overall strategic insights at the end, and yeah, this is it, guys. Yeah, there are a lot of advantages by generating such a SWOT analysis or a SWOT matrix, because you can put all these 4 columns into a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, and the typical one slide conclusion to our building SWOT analysis with ChatGPT use case. Define the scope and provide data. Clearly define what you are analyzing, a company, project, product, or service. Include background information, if that's the case, if the information is not already public, target market, and current goals. Specify the context. The more details you provide about the industry and your specific situation, the more tailored the output will be. Once again, if the information is very public, yeah, definitely you don't need to do this. Use a structured prompt. Request the output in a specific format, such as a markdown table. Refine and deepen. Follow up by asking ChatGPT to focus on the top one or two key factors in each category for better focus. Okay, so we did this. We refined and we reiterated. And at the end, convert to action. Yeah, that's a recommendation. Use the output to create a quantitative representation asking for numerical impact scores for each factor.